At Winway Lighting, every light begins with a simple idea: to make illumination smarter, safer, and more beautiful. We've been specializing in LED commercial lighting since 2015. For years, our focus has been R&D, manufacturing, and quality control, all under ISO 9001:2000 standards. This iron mounting plate ceiling light is one of our latest self-developed products, with proprietary molds, EMC, and LVD certifications. Every detail matters. The frame and diffuser are made of high-quality ABS plus PP, lightweight, impact-resistant, and anti-yellowing. The iron mounting plate ensures a solid connection. Installation: just mount the plate to the ceiling, press the light on, and it's done. We designed 4 functional variants to fit every scene: 3 CCT DIP switch, 5 CCT DIP switch, RGB ambient version, and emergency model. Switch between warm, neutral, and cool tones with just a flick. No remotes, no apps, just instant control. Need atmosphere? The RGB side light turns your ceiling into a scene, from cozy nights to vibrant gatherings. And when power goes out, our emergency model keeps the light on for up to 180 minutes. 4 sizes, flexible power from 20 watts to 60 watts, covering every need from bathrooms to offices. Color? Your choice. Classic black and white, or custom tones and wood grain finishes. Design your light your way. Built for tough environments, IP54 standard and upgradable to IP65 for full waterproof protection. Every product goes through strict aging tests and meets global certifications: CE, CB, ROHS, FCC, and EMC. From homes to hotels, from offices to cafes, this light fits seamlessly into every environment. Our lights have been trusted by clients in over 50 countries, brightening lives, one project at a time. From R&D to reality, from factory to your hands, every Winway light carries our promise of quality, simplicity, and innovation. Winway Lighting, your reliable lighting partner since 2015.